What are we making?
Gluten-free chocolate brownies.
Okay, so we're melting the butter, right?
Yes.
So we need to get the sugar.
Sugar, we need to stir it.
Sugar and vanilla.
Sugar and vanilla. Here's a whisper. Skirt. I'm getting this spatula.
Okay, how much sugar do we need? We need a half a cup of sugar. So find a half on here. Which one is a half? Okay, that's a quarter, a third, a half. Okay. Hold it right here. Ready? Hold it over the bowl. Whoa, look at the sugar. Oh, perfect. Okay, dump it in.
Do you want us to stir
Okay, nope, not yet.
it? Not yet. Almost we have to stir. I can't wait, Mommy.
I know, hold on.
No.
Put it in the middle.
Can you reach out?
Okay, and we need, what's next? Vanilla.
Vanilla.
And we need 1 tablespoon. So Braylon, hold that, just like that. Okay. Hold it just like that.
I can pour it in.
Oh, that's all we have. Okay, dump it. A little bit short, but that's okay.
You want me to stir it?
Not yet. And then we
I
need
want to stir it.
the melted butter
Let's do it. The melted.
and brown sugar. So here's the melted butter. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead and start mixing. I'll get the brown sugar. All of you share.
I can't.
Share. Yes, you can.
This one's different. Can I stir it now? I can't even reach.
Yes, you can.
Come on. All 3 in it. I can't reach. So mixed up.
Okay, and then we need brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Stop! It's taking it up.
It's okay.
It's
Let's be nice. We're nice bakers.
Yeah, we're nice bakers.
Okay, we need a half a cup of brown sugar.
Me and Daddy can think of
Let me see.
all 3 of them are mixed up in the bowl.
Okay. Now you just hold it. Let's do brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Now just put it in this one.
Has to be packed. Packed brown sugar. Okay, go, ready?
Yep. Oh, it's stuck. Yes,
Okay,
stuck.
hold on.
It's stuck.
Okay, you just push down. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's do one at a time.
I'm gonna go first. Can I go first?
Can you hold on?
I'm the first one.
Allie? Hold on, B.
I'm not going.
Okay, you hold your whisk, Ellie, you go first. You mix them, and then B will be next. I'll tell her when. Mix. There you go. Good. Okay, hold your whisk. Get all the stuff off. Give it to B.
You can make it if you want. Look it, no.
No, don't lick it.
Not yet.
Nope. Okay.
Mommy, mine's dripping.
Go like this. And hold it up. Okay, now give it to Evie. Evie has a turn. Okay, we're gonna do eggs. Let Evie mix them.
Oh no, mine is dripping. Let me hold mine up.
2 eggs.
2 eggs? We get to stir it. Can me and me do it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me and you get to.
Okay, let's give Ellie the bowl.
What is this? It still has it on.
Hold that. Okay, crack the egg. No, B, don't lick. Not yet. Okay, don't get any shell in here, okay? Put it into the, crack it. Girl.
Oh, one shell. One shell.
We'll get it.
I'll get it.
I see a couple shells in there. It's okay. Do you see the other one right there? See it?
I'm stuck in egg. I can't can't get it.
Let me see.
I got egg on me.
Did you get the shell?
There's one right there.
Okay.
Can
Go throw it away and go wash your hands.
Can I stir?
Nope. Here.
How am I going to turn on the water? I should do it out here.
Go do it in the bathroom.
I didn't know if you had a
Okay,
shower.
now go throw that away. Okay, Abby, you're gonna
I didn't put any
Go ahead.
shells in there.
whisk, 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 whisk. Uh-oh. Ready? Whisk, 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 whisk. What are you making?
I want to get
Brownies?
Whoa.
Wash your hands.
My hands are. Whoa.
Okay, don't shake it.
Is it my
Okay,
turn?
are you back?
Yeah.
Okay,
Is it
hold
my
on.
turn to stir?
Okay, go ahead and stir.
Good.
Okay, Ellie, can you get another bowl?
Move.
Say excuse me. Okay, B, put it down. Scoot back. Okay, don't eat, no more eating because there's egg on it. Get another bowl.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You got it. You got it. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, now we're gonna put, don't lick it. There's egg on it. Okay, give it to Ellie to mix a little bit. Let go. Okay. Give it to Ellie, let her whisk. Don't eat it.
Has egg on it.
More. Okay, now we need the gluten-free
Flour.
flour.
Flour. We get to mix
We
again.
need,
Ah.
where is it?
They watch this. Oh no, it's dripping on me.
3/4
They watch
cups.
this. Whoa.
Okay, now we're gonna put this aside. Put all your whisks in there. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Okay. Now we're gonna do 3/4 of a cup.
Can I do it first? Good day.
Put that in.
Good time.
Okay. Abby, don't touch.
My turn. I want to put it in. Yep, you're gonna put it in.
Good. Abby, do you want to put the other one in? Abby, guys, don't break the bowl.
What?
You
Mom,
wanna
what's
put this in?
this for?
Give the bowl to Abby. Okay, put
Mom,
this
what's
in.
this one for? Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Mommy, you.
yeah, don't touch, girls. Okay, now we're gonna do the cocoa powder, which is this.
Mama, good honey.
I know. And we need to do a 1/2 cup.
A 1/2 cup.
So it's gonna be 2 of these.
Ellie and me can do it. And Eddie.
Oh no, because we only need 2. Okay. 1.
Cover the last one, okay? Cover it, cover it, cover it. Woohoo! Do we get to mix?
Hold on, not yet.
I'm ready to see this.
Okay, Evie, don't touch, please. I need that. Okay. So after the cocoa powder, we need,
Oil.
nope, not yet. Baking soda and salt.
Ellie and me can do that. 2 cups?
Baking soda.
2 cups?
No.
3.
We need 1/2 teaspoon B. Don't lick that, honey. Stop licking things. Okay, we need half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Ooh, I get to do it. Half. Is that 3 cups? Or
No.
One?
It's a half a teaspoon.
Oh, two.
Just one. There you go.
Just one?
Tap, tap, tap.
Faster. Oh, do you see the
Okay,
one?
and then we need salt.
Salt.
And we're gonna do a half a teaspoon of salt.
So B, you get to do it. Half. That means one.
Okay, B, you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. Now, what we need to do
Is stir it?
is, let me get a fork.
Oh, there's salt on me. Move it, Evie. Don't
She was just moving over so I could do it. Here. Okay, so put this in the middle.
middle.
Actually, Ellie, you start first. Gently, gently.
That's a lot of.
Okay, B's turn.
Then my turn. You need to get up there too.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, Evie's turn.
Stir.
Stir, stir, stir.
Do it
Stir,
again.
stir, stir. Keep stirring. Gently. Okay, let me see. Okay, so next we slowly add this to the wet stuff.
Wet stuff. We need wet stuff.
You have to mix until it's all the way smooth. So hold on a second, let me get it.
Hey, this is mine.
Let me get a plate to put those on.
Ah! These are stuck.
Stop. B, hold on.
I'll get Evie's.
Put yours on the plate. Evie, stop.
I'll put hers on the plate.
Okay. You ready? Mix while I pour some of this in. Keep mixing. Okay, mix that in. I'll hold the bowl. Mix, mix, mix.
Are we going to put the Oreo
2 hands
in?
if you need. Mix.
Is it my turn to mix?
Not yet. Let me see.
I want to lick the spoon. I want to
No,
lick
because
this.
there's raw eggs. I don't lick it if there's raw eggs. Okay, it's gonna be B's turn. Ready, B?
Evie gets the rest. Hey, you got the white.
Okay, I'll hold it. Hey, B.
Oh. Sorry.
Honey, stop, stop. You need to be gentle.
Okay.
Okay, Ellie, get all that and put it in. Okay. You don't have to go slow, just be gentle. See? Hold on. What else are we missing?
Can you hold the bowl, Ellie? Hang on. Stir. Can you hold the bowl and stir?
Let me see, let me see.
Wow. Do you have to put the Oreo in? Whoa, is it Evie's turn to stir? What? Hurry down and get the chocolate off.
Ellie, don't lick it. Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands.
Ow.
Go wash your hands.
Is it my
Honey, come on, stop.
Is it my turn?
Welcome to our train wreck of making brownies.
Is it my turn?
Yes. Ready? Ready?
I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm not careful. Is that my stirring? Why is she using my whisk?
Because she can. Go. Go, 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 go. Can we see?
Oh, yeah, go.
Maybe we should add a little bit of milk. Should we add a little bit of milk?
Yes.
Okay.
And oil.
Okay, hold on. Well, no, I don't think we need oil.
Why?
It doesn't call for oil. Hold on, Evie. Let's do some milk.
We can each mix it.
Let's see. Well, Evie hasn't really had a turn. There we
Then
go. Want to mix, Evie?
Then it's beet.
Down here.
And then meat. But Mom, that's regular milk.
It's okay.
Is it still gonna be
Okay, let me see.
gluten free?
Yes, honey. Okay.
Ah, that smells even more buttery.
Ellie, can you go get a glass pan?
Glass pan? How big?
A square.
Square.
A square one. Evie, hold on. Should we do chocolate chips?
Yes.
Yeah.
Chocolate brownies. Chocolate chip brownies. Oh, can I have a turn stirring? Whoa. It's my turn to stir. Mom, I got how big you wanted it.
That's not the square. This is a square. You know what a square is. Good job.
Can I have one? Can I have one square?
No, we only need one square.
And I can pour it in the mug. Can I stir some now?
Yep, give it to Ellie so she can stir.
So chocolate chips are not right. They're not stir that much. Mom, can we have one after we bake it?
Hmm?
Can we have a brownie after we bake it?
Yes.
Yay! With chocolate chips. Is it gonna be in the microwave or the oven? Oven. Right, Mom.
Definitely in the oven.
Mommy, I can't hold this ball.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let me see.
Are there still rotten egg?
Yep, it's raw eggs, not rotten.
Raw.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it in here. Watch out, be careful.
Ooh.
And
We can't make the bowl, right? No.
nope. Ready?
Yeah. I can hold it just in case it spins. Me too. Whoa.
Watch your hand, B. You can't see. The video can't see it going in.
Oh.
These are gonna be very interesting.
Oh, look at the bowl. It's so dirty. Daddy, we're making it! And we both said it at the same time. We're making gluten-free brownies.
Are you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I don't know how these are gonna. We'll find out.
We put some chocolate chips in. We put chocolate chips in, Daddy. Oh my gosh, she's dead.
Okay, put all the whisks in here.
I'll get Ellie. Here, I'll get Ellie's. No, I'm not putting it in. Okay.
Okay, and then. Evie, don't lick it.
Mom, can I have apple sauce?
No, we're not done. Get over here.
Mommy, but it's rotten chocolate.
Evie, it's raw,
Raw.
not rotten.
Do
Okay,
you
just like that. I'm done. Say it, just like that.
Just like that, we're done.
We're done. Yay! Say bye.
Bye.